Hi everyone, good morning from Educating Path. It is the Railway Recruitment Board RRB. So in this video we are going to see the how many railway recruitment board all over India. So in this video we are going to see the name of the railway recruitment board all over India, RRB in India. Ahmedabad Railway Recruitment Board, Ajmer Railway Recruitment Board, Allahabad Railway Recruitment Board, Bangalore Railway Recruitment Board, Bhopal Railway Recruitment Board, Bhubaneswar Railway Recruitment Board, Bilaspur Railway Recruitment Board, Chandigarh Railway Recruitment Board, Chennai Railway Recruitment Board, Gorakhpur Railway Recruitment Board, Guwahati Railway Recruitment Board, Jammu Railway Recruitment Board, Kolkata Railway Recruitment Board, Malda Railway Recruitment Board, Mumbai Railway Recruitment Board, Muzaffarpur Railway Recruitment Board, Patna Railway Recruitment Board, Ranchi Railway Recruitment Board, Secunderabad Railway Recruitment Board, Siliguri Railway Recruitment Board, Trivandrum Railway Recruitment Board. So total all over India 21 railway recruitment board is there. It is reviewed on 2/6/2022. So total 21 railway recruitment board. So this 21 railway recruitment board, they are conducting the railway exams separately. So thank you, all the best for your future from Educating Path. I like that. If you want to know about the railway job, then you have to subscribe the Educating Path YouTube channel. Thank you.